Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Apollo.io CRM. This is arguably one of the most budget-friendly CRMs out there. Whether you're a large business or you're a small business that is just getting started and you want a CRM that offers numerous features, this is definitely the platform for you, as it offers the latest AI features that you would expect from a CRM, and it also has some reliable features that you'll expect from an established CRM. And what I also like about it is well known, as it has been used by over 500,000 different companies. For instance, you can see some of the companies right here that use Apollo CRM. For instance, DocuSign and also Stripe, and you can see that Census also uses it. And you can see it is one of the world's most up-to-date lead database. Whether you need to find 1,000 new leads or 100,000 verified emails and phone numbers, Apollo's living database of 265 million plus contacts has you covered. And what I also like about them, and I'm sure you will also, they offer a completely free plan. Not just a free trial period, but I mean a free plan that you can use forever. So for example, you can see right here, with their free plan, you'll get unlimited email credits and you'll be able to send 10,000 monthly emails. This compared to industry favorite MailChimp, you can see on the MailChimp free plan, you'll only be able to send 1,000 emails per month. Even if you were to go onto the MailChimp paid plan, you'll only be able to send 5,000 emails per month. And on the Apollo free plan, you'll be able to send 10,000 per month. And that's not all. By scrolling down, you can see they offer numerous features also, as you will get the LinkedIn extension. You will get basic filters. You will also get basic sequence automations, as you can see right there. You can also add their Gmail extension and numerous other integrations that you can use. And if you decide to go on their paid plan, it starts off at $49 for the basic plan and goes up to $119. Now let's dive into the tutorial. I will be using their free plan. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, if you would like to start adding your first contacts, all you'll need to do is tap on people from the top left hand corner. Once you have tapped on people, you will be redirected to this dashboard right here. And after you're on this dashboard, all you will need to do now, you can hover over import right here. So real quick. So we'll tap on import right. After tapping on import, if you'd like to add just one contact, you can do that by tapping on just one contact. If you would like to do a bulk import from your CSV, you can tap on bulk import from CSV. Also, if you would like to import it from another platform, you can do that. Later on in the tutorial, I'll be showing you how to integrate different apps on Apollo CRM. But now that you know how to import your contacts, you can also tap on companies to add companies to your CRM. After doing that, what I want you to do next is you can tap on engage, and from here, if you would like to create a sequence, you can do that. All you'll need to do is tap on sequences. Once you have tapped on sequences, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you can tap on link mailbox in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on link mailbox, from here you can enter your email address. Then you can tap on I comply. And then you'll be able to integrate a different mailbox on the Apollo page. You can also use their AI platform to create a sequence if you want by tapping on create a sequence with AI. And if we should hover over engage once more, from there you can see that you can also do email marketing by tapping on email right here. You'll be able to see all of your emails. You can also use them to do calls. but with this you'll need to upgrade. You can also create your first task by tapping on task right there. And if you would like access to different templates, you could tap on templates and you could tap on create new template. So you can create different automation templates if you want. Now you can see a layout right here of how you can create your template. So you'll be able to fill in the information right here. Then you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. And to view your analytics or your conversion, all you'll need to do is tap on analytics. But let's go back to the main dashboard real quick. So all I would need to do is tap on the Apollo sign in the top left hand corner. Once on the main dashboard, I want you to tap on conversions. After tapping on conversions, you can see connect your meeting platform to start capturing insights. All you'll need to do, you can see that it is a 3-step layout. So you'll tap on get started. Once you have tapped on get started, you can choose the platform that you would like to use to do video calls, whether that is Zoom, Google Meets, or Microsoft Teams, or if you use something else, you could tap on others. So you're going to tap on connect. After you have tapped on connect, you will continue to your Google Meet account or whichever platform you had chosen. Then you are going to give it permission, and then you'll be able to add trackers and you will be able to get started. Now let's go back to the main dashboard. If you would like to create deals, you can do that by tapping on deals. And this is a new feature that they recently add. That's why you see the beta beside it. To create your first deal, you'll need to tap on create deal. Then you're going to see a pop-up window on the right hand column, as you can see right here. And from here you can add in the deal name, the account, the deal stage, and from there you can scroll down and you can fill in the estimated close date and you can fill in the amount, then tap on save. After you have done that, if you would like to tap on enrich right there, you can get a full overview. You can also check your job change alerts and you can tap on CRM enrichment if you want. And if you would like to create plays, you can tap on plays right here. Once you have tapped on plays, you can see choose a play from their 12 templates. So you can tap on see all play templates and you can see the different templates right here. And you can also see the categories from the left hand menu option. So let's say, for example, ask happy customers for referrals. All I would need to do is tap on try it. Once you have tapped on try it, you can scroll down and you can see the sequence right there. Then you will tap on create. After you have tapped on create, you can see right there, you have now created your first play. If you would like to add as action, you could tap on add action. Once everything is to your liking, as you can see right here, you can add more details if you want. And once it is active, as you can see here, you could tap on save changes and you will now have your first play live. Now, if you would like to integrate different apps, you can tap on integrations in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on integrations, you can scroll down and you can see the numerous apps that you can integrate using Apollo CRM. And if there's a specific category that you would like to search for, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on the category name, and from there you'll be able to search for it. So for example, you can see right here. And also, if you need any help in finding anything, you can go over to the left-hand menu option to find it. Let me tap on integration once more. You can see them right there. And if you would like, for example, create your schedule or edit your schedule, you could tap on schedules, then tap on new schedule to create a schedule. And you can add in the schedule name, let's say for example test, then tap on create. After you have tapped on create, from here you can select the days of the week and you can add time blocks. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.